Have you ever played Mattel? If not, go download it now! Let's go! Mom, can I go play? My friend is here.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, all done.
Then show me your class journal. Wait, what's that? An F? Teacher's note? Misbehaved in class? Was goofing off! And yet you want to play outside! You should be ashamed! Go study! No going out for you! He's grounded today! And watch out! If I see you slacking around, I'll rough you up real good!
I can help you.
No way! Me doing homework, me and studying just don't go together!
I'm coming! Rascals!
Just kick the ball already!
I'm coming!
Come on! Come on, come on, come on!
And who was that?
I'm gonna lose it!
Who's that brave out there? Wait a minute!
Oh, terrible.
Enough!
No.
Right, I have to go water the plants.
Pressing. I'll go to the toilet. Oh, baby. How it's done.
No words! Even the doorbell is mocking me.
What an idiot, huh?
I'll show you! Who's that brave out there? No words! Even the doorbell is mocking me! I'll show you!
I need to water these plants because these people are annoying me so much.
I need to go pee.
doorbell is mocking me.
Come on! Well, I'll show you!
Who's that brave out there? No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me. Oh.